this is Sea Stinger Ghost 1, and today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble the Echo 1 E90. It is a replica of the P90, and it's Shadow's primary weapon. This is actually his, but I'm going to show you how to disassemble it, and disassembling this is probably the easiest of any high-end AEG that I have ever seen. It is so very simple. So I guess let's get started. Okay, so there's only one B. Set that aside. Now the next part is to take off the upper assembly up here, and that also includes taking off the barrel, and that is very easy. Just on the top right here, button, press it, slides off. So there's the hop up with the barrel, and this whole section here is fully metal, very high quality. Now this is the polymer plastic section, and next part would be if you want to get to the gearbox, which is in here. Take this off, and it's right inside of there. But let's go over to this first. As you can see, it's upgraded with a Mad Bull blue bucking already inside, and a relatively short barrel. I don't know exactly how long it is, but that's it. If you want to get the hop-up off to install a new bucking or whatever you might be doing, putting in a new barrel, it's really quite simple. Just, okay, so take it off, just come on, press it in, rotate it, and then it comes right out. Now be careful, because this spring can be very difficult to get back in if it comes out. So pull that out, and that would be how you get that section out. I'm not actually going to take the hop-up off because I don't want to have to deal with these springs. I've done it before and it has become a hassle. That's probably the hardest part about this gun. Alright, I finally got that back on. So, set that aside. Here it is. Now, to get this off, I believe just the 2 screws in there. I don't know how well you can see those. One right there. Yep, right there. One right there. Just a Phillips head screwdriver. I think this is too small. Hang on a second. Here we go. Now, going inside. Okay, so now I took the 2 screws off at the back, and just so that you know, they do stay in, they don't unscrew all the way. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this piece out. There we go. Now, inside there's the back of the gearbox, there's the motor, and if we want to take it out, we will push. There we go. That was like very simple to get the gearbox and motor out. And this is a relatively simple design, but it's very robust. Whole gearbox is completely metal. Okay. See this? It's very strong. Motor is high quality. Got the little Echo 1 symbol there. Some plastic parts down here, but I'm not going to show you how to take apart the motor because honestly I don't really know very much about this one. So, but if you did want to see it further, check out Echo 1's site, Tech Support YouTube channel. So now this is basically just the empty plastic and metal polymer piece. So, alright. See you guys later.
rate, comment, and subscribe.